I'm using the Husqvarna Viking Designer Topaz 65 to explain some of the amazing embroidery features. Now, a lot of people have a tendency to only embroider with thread, and that's okay, but there are 22 different techniques described in the Designer Topaz 65, including working with some texturized materials. So we're going to have a look at that for the rest of this week. Now, how do I find these designs and how do I figure out how to use them? Well, we're going to start by going into the JoyOS Advisor. We open that up and we get a group of categories here that have been behind each one. You're going to find a lot of tutorials or guides or information about a lot of different topics. Today we're going to go into embroidery. And under this category, we're going to find a number of different techniques, and they have been grouped. So if we went to surfaced embroidery, for instance, we're going to find 3 different types of surface embroidery, and opening up any one of those is going to give me a tutorial for something specific. We're going to start with yarn embellished embroidery, and there are 2 different kinds: yarn couching, freestanding, and yarn couching on fabric. So let's have a look at the yarn couching on fabric. Now what that does is it's going to bring up a tutorial. Now I can just, if I want, just read through this tutorial. There's 9 pages with all kinds of information. But if I want to actually use that tutorial and to find a design, the best way is to select Start Tutorial, and that changes the look of the screen a little bit. You'll notice what happened is in behind, my embroidery edit screen opened up. And I have an option up here that allows me to minimize this window so that if I want to do the work and get everything ready on the edit screen and then come back to the tutorial, that allows me to do that. So if you do not press Start Tutorial, you will not get it to work correctly. You're only just going to be able to browse through the tutorial. So let's say that I have gone through this. I'm okay. Now I need to select a design. So you notice that there are instructions and there is content. If I select content, it brings up one yarn couching design that is built into the machine. There are lots of others that I can select, that I can find on the Creative 8 website, or I can find somewhere else, but this is enough to give me an idea of how it works. So I will select that design, and what happens, now I don't want to close this tutorial. I want to just minimize it so that I can come back to it. So there is a little bar up here, and I'm going to select that, and it just minimizes it, and then there is my yarn couching design. Now let's say that I want to bring it back. I need to read that tutorial again. There is a new icon that popped up on the top here, and I open it up and I am right back now to the steps for that tutorial. Again, I'm starting back at step number 1. I can read through it, but my design is on the screen in behind. That is an amazing tool, and it is a phenomenal way to learn new embroidery techniques. So make sure that you press Start Tutorial. Make sure that you select content if you want to try stitching one of those designs out, and minimize it or open the window as you need to get further instructions.